wanna kill my mom. I wanna kill my dad. I wanna kill.
Get smoked like a backwood, my bitch hate when I don't act good. If I fucking don't text back, that mean your shit wasn't that good. Bitch, why you keep a bangin'? You ain't gangsta, you just act hood. Since the money ain't about happiness, I thought the act would. Million ways to get it, I can't get how you still broke as fuck. Tryna hide the pain, cause what the fuck I gain, I open up. Put some water on my chain with all the rain, I'm soaking up. Good dick reach her brain, she left the stain, same as my roll with guts. Bitch, I'm down fly, rest in peace, 2-4 boy like Kobe.
Get away from the fakeness, your life gon' be just what you make it. I swear I'm sick of the hatred to hide the pain. All these blunts I be facing, so trapped like I'm stuck in the matrix. All these people been dying. Man, I swear that I hate it. Let's come together, yeah. It's time for some changes.
As I was talking about it too. Are you serious?
I hope that they don't switch on me when I make it. I ain't going for
Is that a woman?
Run up on me stupid, get put down on the pavement.
Like he did. Like he did. Oh my God.
You think I asked the rap, still running with the same niggas cause they walked with me. Raising prices on the features, nigga, I don't talk for free. Gave her good dick, then lead a scene, that's why she stalking me. I can't believe that you gone, just hold my brother ball in peace. Every time I hit the booth, I let my soul out. I think I'm better by myself, don't need no hoes now. Fuck her good and pass the bitch down, she on my bros now. I heard Houston Green and West V, let's hit the road now. At first I was just playing, now my heart and all my songs now. Everybody faking, I just
I don't even want y'all, bro. I don't even want to shoot at y'all. About to go slide on an online player, bro. If it ain't the AI, it's just the online players. Oh, another gang attack. Done it.
But it's the pain that you hide. I don't sit and write my raps, they just pop up in my mind. I don't listen to that music, these little niggas wanna hop in my spaceship and get away from the fakeness. Your life gon' be just what you make it. I swear I'm sick of that hatred to hide the pain. All these blunts I be facing, so trapped like I'm stuck in the matrix. All these people been dying. Man, I swear that I hate it. Let's come together, yeah. It's time for some changes. So outdated and outrageous.
4 left, bro. I need to do this. It's another gang war, bro. I need to do it. And that's unfair, because last time, the cops didn't even come for the gang war. See, every time I get closer to the area, it's more, bro. They're like zombies, bro. They're like fucking zombies. It's disgusting. This fucking mob you're in. It's just disgusting. Like, the fuck? He got my he caught my oh yes sir. Yes sir. Shooter. That's what I do, bro. Oh. How they gonna keep me here, bro? Are you serious? You know what, bro? You turn me, and they don't need me, turning me on in front of me. These niggas wannabes. Follow me, oh my, cause I'm in Double Street. Follow me, think that I beat everybody. Thought like the Russian Bugattis, I ain't over asking me about like Copy. Scotty gon' treat him like Bobby. I really died in a cop car. My motivation is pain, believe I ain't lying on the sound. I like giving up on the game, so I live right in my teams, I find and came. Be careful, little nigga, you roll your bros. All of the niggas who gossip is broke. To the niggas who gossip is broke. Okay. What? Oh, this is not even okay. Okay. Oh, this is a perfect song for what I'm about to do to this motherfucking. Happy New Year. Okay, I gotta get serious. Shit is goddamn hits. I was trying to play too much. I didn't expect more game members to come up. My bucket every time ready. Dirt. I'll pop in the first. Bitch, you gotta be pretty. You ain't like a bitch, you gotta get birds. Right in the back of the birds. Cause you got like hers. What? Maybe you can get popped like a purge. Shut up. Bro, turn your car around. Ain't you a killer? You're making a Trello. Let's face it, switch off. Oh, there's more people. Oh, I ain't mean it. I ain't mean it. There's way too many for me to hop out this car right now and really shoot all of these motherfuckers. Alright. Guess I'm doing it. Oh, hell no. Hell no. There was like 5 left. God damn it. Windows is tinted. I just do it till Nike to quit. Are you serious? Young fly nigga Neverland. You gotta listen, bro. Alright? You fucking nigga. I mean, what? Yep. Idiot. Idiot. I should take your car for ruining my damn shot, you fucking nigga. That's what I treat it like. God, mother, bro, drive straight. You fucking pilgrim. What? Wow. Now this is probably definitely copyright. For sure. Not this, you stupid idiot. This isn't copyright. I can play this, right? Right? Ripped up clothes and fucked up hoes. We gotta charge the world when we get back home. I'll probably lose my bitch and check my phone. Do shit I can't control. If you don't get over here, bro, drive fucking straight, you idiot. I'm finna start. Here comes parties at the dark. Okay, I'm listening to the radio already. I don't need you to turn the radio on, you fucking pilgrim. I need to stop saying pilgrim. It's like, what? If you're offended, just don't get offended. I'm gonna stop giving advice. Oh, fucking shit. How do I turn around? Shit. This is where it ends. This is really where I part ways to the sky. Ow. Don't explode. Don't explode. Don't explode. Okay. flip back over, please. You're a fucking idiot who drives in front of a train. I'm gonna lose this train now because you wanna be an idiot. I'm gonna have to wait for 10 minutes now just for another train to come. God damn it. W vocals in the chat. But now I gotta sit here and wait while I'm smoking on this lonely road. And now I'm smoking on this lonely road while I gotta wait now. I'll go for something. I don't do cupping. Fucking ball.
Anybody try to stand out, they getting blue. Barely talk to my niggas, I don't want no friends. If he tried and I'm still we blow up the roof. How about I up in this blunt in the booth? Throw back them drugs to the face so I'm loose. Bitch, he built up on my little nigga juiced up. He got a problem with tell him come do some.
I'm seriously drunk already, bro. I'm sprunk.
With the Wells Fargo Active Cash Card, you earn 2% cash.
I don't give a damn what I earn. You fucking idiot. You pilk. What? Bro, can this train come on? Your bitch ass. Don't call me a bitch ass. What? I can call you whatever I want to call you. Just like I can call you daddy if I want. What the fuck? Okay, I didn't mean that. I was coming this way. Oh yeah, it felt like I was close to that. I was about to say, like, oh my fucking god. Are you serious? I don't give a fuck for property damage there. I could pay I'm broke. I don't know what I'm saying. I'll be having a birthday. Why you said that it's almost my birthday? I gotta stop talking. I don't know why I did that, but you know, I'm gonna wait for the train to come. Hold on. What song was I gonna? Oh, some DC. Play some DC. DC the Dawn is not copyrighted, right? He dropped. When the fuck did this happen? Oh no. I've been in love with this song, bro, for like a month. I'm literally not gonna make it in time. Fuck. God damn it. I'm not stopping. I'm running and I'm not stopping, bro. I know. Fucking on his bitch. Fucking his hoe. I don't know. Fucking his face on the fucking his face on the fucking her toes. What? What song could I play? I don't know. Fuck it. This song. Okay. I did not mean to jump. Okay. Thank you. Jesus, that took 10 minutes. Oh my god. Oh, no, we can play Baby Tron. Some Baby Tron and, Tron? Some Baby Tron and some DC. I mean, not DC. Yeah, Midwest. I'm retarded. Damn far. Oh my god. I know somebody's with them sticks and they don't play percussion. My buddy shit, kid that K and they might get the bus. You fuck with gang, I hope you know you suffer repercussion. My pants are words of fucking weapons and they mass destruction. Running that show and man, they jump the bitches double dutch. My brother really kid that K, he not even rush. I'm in the city trying to slide, but I know that he does. And got me pissed off.
up on my wrist, my go bust down the G-Shot. Brody keep that 19, know he ride around with that G-Lock. What they say they spot him, then they got him made a big box. Seen the ghost in my DMs, got me up, mama see them. If you had the life I'm living, this shit look up, mama mia. Talk about my brothers and my family, wish you fun to pain. Put it up, blood fade on my body like heaven to rain. I ain't perfect, I done this shit, bitch. Lost some brothers, son, fucking win, that shit brought me pain. Hell out, any of my brothers are the fucking gas. Step it on me, I know no niggas gon' tie the chain. The hardest that's coming out of ain't, bitch, you gon' know the name. Bro, to kick the cup, but he can't stop sipping up on the drain. Hands on, I'm the type to pick the soccer ball up. How about you walk him down, we finna pop him all. That's what real niggas sound like. Yeah, I got him out, look at his face, he like a dirt mom. Bringing up my brothers, I'm the one that made them shots come. Get it, baby, stay in my hands, I feel like St. Paul. Said he wouldn't tell him, then he did it, that's his damn fault. My money on Eiffel Tower, bitch, you know it's that tall. Been off on my phone, getting that bad bitch, I don't need call. If I ain't made like 5K in a day, bitch, I get withdrawal. Niggas try to hold me down, and now they got me pissed off. Know some brothers that do drills, and they don't do construction. I know some brothers with them sticks, and they don't play percussion. My brother, he keep that K, and they might get the bus. You fuck with gang, I hope you know you suffer repercussion. My pencil was a fucking weapon, so they max destruction. Running that show, and man, they jump the bitches double dutch. My brother really keep that K, he not even rush. I'm in the city trying to stop, but I know that he does. Got me pissed off, hand up on the trigger, ready to let that bitch on. My boy Chris, the chopper made him dance like TikTok. Cassie up on my wrist, my go bust down the G-Shot. Brody keep that 19, know he ride around with that G-Lock. What they say they spot him, then they got him made a big box. Seen the ghost in my DMs, got me up, mama see them. If you had the life I'm living, this shit look up, mama mia. Talk about my brothers and my family, wish you fun to pain. Put it up, blood fade on my body like heaven to rain. I ain't perfect, I done this shit, bitch, I am not a saint. Lost some brothers, son, fucking win, that shit brought me pain. Hell out, any of my brothers are the fucking gas. Step it on me, I know no niggas gon' tie the chain. The hardest that's coming out of ain't, bitch, you gon' know the name. Bro, to kick the cup, but he can't stop sipping up on the drain. Hands on, I'm the type to pick the soccer ball up. How about you walk him down, we finna pop him all up. Sick, he think he's shining, he done went and cop some porn. Face car scorching, I don't really shop in malls much. Look, hot as fuck like I'm stuck in the microwave. Finna maximize the hit with this micro K. Tryna hit the top, you gon' have to fight your way. Tie him up and leave his body shit the same way. Tryna check his profile, credit with Geico sell. You ain't press your wood like no way. Little pups ain't for your man, cause we gon' bite your face. With these 2 to 3, had to be back to back.
We got the eats.